Are you dreaming of adding an elevator to your home but feeling overwhelmed by the idea? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some key insights to help you understand that installing an elevator is easier than you think. Space availability made simple. Worried about not having enough space for an elevator? Relax. Our team will carefully assess your home to find the perfect spot for your new elevator. Whether it's a closet, unused corner, or even a customized solution, we'll make it work seamlessly with your existing layout. Structural integrity simplified. Concerned about the structural implications? Leave it to our experts. We'll collaborate with skilled structural engineers to ensure that your home's foundation can support the elevator installation. With careful planning and attention to detail, we'll ensure that your home remains safe and stable throughout the process. Navigating building codes with ease. Feeling lost in a sea of regulations? We've got you covered. Our team is well versed in local building codes and regulations related to elevator installations. We'll handle all the necessary permits and paperwork, so you can rest easy knowing that everything is being taken care of. Expert guidance every step of the way. Overwhelmed by the idea of managing such a big project? Don't fret. Our experienced team will be with you every step of the way, providing expert guidance and support from initial consultation to final installation. We'll answer all your questions and address any concerns to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. With our expertise and dedication, installing an elevator in your home is easier than you ever imagined. Say goodbye to stairs and hello to convenience and accessibility. Contact us today to learn more and take the first step towards elevating your home.